You actually have a wife that young and you're not. Thank you very much.
Got some fancy stuff.
Really? You're going to take photos of junk shit on a table?
Hey,
hello, folks. This is junk shit on a table. Take a look at it.
That's funny. What is this, McLaren? Yeah, McLaren. God damn.
Some of those tweeters.
This ones look nice.
Some of the black ones for my truck.
What's wrong with the white ones? I have a garage and everything, a really nice garage, but it's like I can't really build boxes or anything. Dude, this stuff's really nice.
I pushed up my sleeves because I already had a farmer's game going on.
I qualified 159.3.
I was not either. Yes, Barbican.
Dude, this is insane.
I hate you.
A 4K with triple input, that's insane. Dude, this is probably the nicest stain I've seen so far. Like with merchandise, this is literally like the nicest one. I have no idea. Good, man. What's up?